Chapter 13 is about distribution and pricing. Here are the objectives for this chapter, and I encourage you as we go through the chapter to look for the answers to these learning objectives as we move through. In section 1, we'll focus on getting your product to your customer. Distribution strategy. This is a plan for delivering the right products to the right person at the right place and the right time. There are two elements to this strategy. One that maps out the path, and the other that deals with the movement of the product. The channel of distribution is a path that a product takes from the producer to the consumer. The physical distribution is the actual movement of the products along the path. The producer and the customer are not separated by anyone in a direct channel. In other words, the product goes straight from the manufacturer to the customer. And some examples of this would be Dell Computers. They sell directly to the customer. And Lands' End, which is a clothing company that sells directly to the customer. Channel intermediaries, these facilitate what I refer to these as the middleman. They facilitate the movement of products from the producer to the consumer. An example in your book was Hershey's. Hershey's sells chocolate bars to Sam's Club. Sam's Club is a channel intermediary which may in turn sell them to you. Also, the movement of the products from the factory to the consumer is more effective and efficient when channel intermediaries are used. Most producers use this method. You might be asking yourself, why do we need distributors? Wouldn't it be a lot less expensive to buy directly from the producers? Well, actually, no. Distributors add value, which are additional benefits to the products. They charge for adding value, but typically they're going to charge less than it would cost for consumers or producers to add that value on their own. So some of the value that is provided or that is added to these products is form utility, which provides customer satisfaction by converting inputs into finished products. Time utility adds value by making products available at a convenient time for consumers. Think about vending machines on college campuses. That would be an example of time utility because they make it convenient for you to grab a drink. Place utility satisfies customer needs by providing the right products in the right place. And we could use the drink machine example again for place utility because it's convenient to have vending machines on college campuses because it's convenient and it provides the right product at the right place. Another example would be Northwest is getting a Chick-fil-A on campus. So this will be convenient and it will be close to easy access for students to grab something to eat. Ownership utility adds value by making it easier for customers to actually possess goods and services they purchase. So ownership utility may be having the goods delivered allows you to be able to own them because there's a delivery service that delivers the product. Information utility boosts customer satisfaction by providing helpful information. Service utility adds value by providing fast, friendly, personalized service. So I want to emphasize here is distribution is extremely important, and it's really the single most important topic that people understand the least. Even if you have an awesome product, you still have to be able to get it out to people. So it's very important in a startup business to understand the importance of distribution. Even one marketing intermediary in the distribution channel can funnel goods from producers to consumers, and it saves a lot of costly transactions when it just even if you just have that one. Let's look at retailers. Retailers are distributors that sell products directly to the consumer, and we are most familiar with these as we do business with many retailers almost every day, like Walmart, Target, restaurants. That's just a few examples. Wholesalers are distributors that purchase products from manufacturers to sell them to other businesses, non-profit agencies, and government entities. This allows business to buy in bulk to save money. To complicate this concept, some distributors act as both wholesalers and retailers. Costco sells directly to businesses and to consumers. Nike is another example. They sell their sneakers to a wide range of shoe stores, but they also sell directly to final users through their website. In section 2, we're going to look at all the options of wholesalers. Independent wholesaling businesses can represent different producers and cater to a wide range of customers. There are times when wholesale businesses are owned by manufacturers and retailers, but most, about 2/3, are independently owned. This means they don't have direct ties with the manufacturer. They simply buy the product and send them to other businesses or entities. The two types of wholesale distributors include merchant wholesalers and agents brokers. Merchant wholesalers are independent distributors who take legal ownership or title of goods they distribute. In other words, they actually own the products they buy. This group represents 80% of all wholesalers. Agents and brokers are independent distributors who do not take legal ownership of the goods they distribute. They sometimes do store goods, they don't own them. Agents and brokers help facilitate the selling process. Some examples are real estate agents and insurance agents. Merchant wholesalers, you have full service merchant wholesalers. They provide a complete array of services to retailers or business users who typically purchase their goods. Limited service merchant wholesalers provide fewer services to their customers. Drop shippers, they take legal title of the merchandise, but they never physically process it. Drop shippers are common in industries with bulky products such as coal or timber. However, Amazon has successfully pioneered the use of drop shipping in e-commerce. And it's become a standard now with that shipping method for a number of major websites to use Amazon. Cash and carry wholesalers service customers who are too small to merit in-person sale calls from wholesale reps. Truck drivers work with perishable goods such as bread and drive their products to their customers, who are usually smaller grocery stores. We'll end this section with a knowledge check. So read the question, pause the video, and see if you can answer the question. When you're ready, press play to check the answer. The correct answer is D. A wholesaler who provides shipping, promotion, warranty, service, and credit. Full-service merchant wholesalers provide an array of services to the retailers or business users who purchase their goods, whereas drop shippers, cash and carry wholesalers, and agents perform their specific service, but little beyond that service. So this concludes sections 1 and 2. Let me know if you have any questions.